Hello, welcome back to Skyway Classic Cars. We're here to show you a video on a 1964 Ford F100
custom cab.
And I'm here with Al today, and Al's going to tell you a little bit about the truck as I walk around it.
You know, it's kind of nice to see those old West Coast mirrors that they used to put on the truck. You know, the camper mirrors when we were kids, huh, Shane?
Yeah, it's got some nice ones.
And the thing is, he put his bed together. Just a really nice truck. Came out of Saudi Daisy, Tennessee. Got a little V8 in it, 3-speed, column shift. But really nice. I mean, no rust, which we're going to show you underneath the car. Inside the car is impeccable for being, 56 years old. I mean, what a car to take to the, drugstore, hardware store, go to a little car show. Really, nice paint. It's not, a show quality paint job at all. There are a couple little flaws, which I'll point out to you as we go. A couple little dents in the molding that would have to be, fixed up if you really wanted to make it something. But 8-cylinder, power steering. Where do you find one in that kind of shape, huh, Shane?
Oh, she's very clean. The chrome and bright work looks real good on it. It's got a real nice set of American racing wheels, new rubber tires on it.
Yeah, tires are only a year old. Check the US DOT.
It's even got the camper lights up top, which is a very cool feature on these trucks, I think.
Let's show them the hood. Let's show them underneath the hood.
Go ahead and pop her open.
And I want you to get inside here too. Look, no rust. Everything is just as nice as it possibly can be. Doesn't leak oil. All these older cars do sweat a little bit of oil, but no dripping or anything like that. I'm gonna fire her up, and then you can video that, and then we'll take her for a spin and get her on the hoist so we can show the bottom.
All right, go ahead and fire her up.
Original keys. That's an original Ford key right there. Isn't that kind of amazing? The original keys. I just love that stuff. All right, let me put her back.
He's gonna go ahead and give her fire up and give her a little run. Nice cold start. She fires right up and listen to it idle. Boy, she's nice and quiet. Here, let me go back to the back. Let's get a little sound of the exhaust. It does have a set of dual exhausts on it. It's got a nice little low rumble. This will be a real nice, enjoyable truck to go back and forth to Home Depot for your home projects. I'm going to shut down the hood and we're going to take her for a little spin. Here we are back at Skyway Classic Cars. We're just doing a quick video of the 64 F100 going down the road. Shifted through its 3 on the tree, as they used to call it. You can see him going into first and second gear here.
Yeah, true, Shane. I had said power steering, no power steering.
No power steering. That's a correction on the original video. This is a non-power steering truck. Again, I just want to repeat that. This is a non-power steering truck.
We got full gauges work, gas gauge works, oil and temperature gen light, speedometer works, the choke even works, the automatic choke. So I'm going to take it and let's get through the gears, and then we'll throw it up on the hoist so they can see what it looks like. Wow, this is awesome. Get something this,
I love it.
It's not crazy price, you have to. This truck's gonna be priced in the mid-20s, not 40 or 50,000 like so many of them, see? And the quality, look at the headliners all there. You got the sun visors are there. The dashboard ain't all beat up. Even the flipping ashtrays there.
Nice, good, original-looking truck inside. That's how it should have been.
Okay, we'll flip it once around again, and then we'll get her up on the hoist so we can show the customer what it looks like underneath. Gotta wait for this, guy right here who won't go on a right turn. So let's just wait.
Welcome to Florida.
Yeah. Oh, now he's going. All right. Watch out for that left turn lane. That's us. Okay, here we go after the Lexus.
Watch him shift through a couple gears here. First to second, nice and smooth. you want the third. Yep, there's your second gear right there.
Wow, it's been a while since I drove one of
And
these
there's
bad
your
boys.
third gear. Memories.
All right, downshifter nicely.
Downshifts real
Good
well.
brakes.
Brakes are nice. Enjoy. Thanks, Al.
You're welcome. Thanks, Shane.
Bye.